Yeah, yeah.
Hi everyone, I'm Shrikala and with me is Sakina. And here
Hello.
are two eminent poets, Vishnu Bhattarai sir from Nepal and Tasni Mala from Madam from Sri Lanka again. So we are so happy to meet both of you because both are too wonderful. Vishnu sir, we met him in the Sino group, and sir is a very good Sino writer. He writes both in Nepali and in English also. And Tasneem madam, she also writes in two languages, that in Tamil and English. Bilingual poets both are. So really happy to introduce both of them. Welcome to both of you to our show.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Very happy.
Hello, welcome all. We are so happy to have you all with us.
So happy to join with you and all.
So we can start with
first time.
Vishnu sir.
Yes, I will introduce Vishnu sir now, and then we can listen to his poetry. Vishnu Prasad Bhattarai is from Dhamak, Nepal, and he's a teacher by occupation. And he teaches in a government school for more than 25 years. He's an English teacher, and teaching in the classroom got him interested in writing poems, and he has been a member of motivational strips from just May 7 2021, but he has posted nearly 200 poems, so that's a lot in a small time. He's been a very active member, and he has a small family. He is a son and daughter, and he has recently published a book entitled Pen, and there are 41 poems in it. And he writes poems to enjoy with people, and he is also a winner, a recipient of the Gujarat Sahitya Award that was given for the Independence Day of India recently. So we are so delighted to have you with us, Vishnu sir, and we are waiting to listen.
Thank you. This is my first time. I have become here. I have been participated over here. I'm very pleased to present this source, madam.
Yes,
sure, sir. We are also so happy to hear it from you because we have seen your written poetry. So today we'll be listening to you.
Yes.
Thank you, madam.
Yes, so you can read the poem now.
Oh, okay. Actually, I have written many poems. They are in the motivational strips, but all are this in my mobile set. I have not written directly here in the copy. And two poems I have selected and I have brought here. And I'm going to recite this poem. Okay. My poem is like this. The title of my poem is Open Book. The divine glass reads the open book's pages without scripts, without letters, without sheets of paper, without benches, without furniture. The open school with cosmic beauty. You need a deep knowledge to study more than in the modern college. The chapters of natural beauty can pull from the books with their velocity, can pull from the brooks with their velocity. Peacock gives us the new colorful topic. Learning in the open book is very romantic. We get alluring birds, rhymes, streams in a melodious rhythm. No more boring, no more tiredness. Happy entry with a happy ending. This is my one poem. I have posted this poem in the motivational strip few days before.
It's a very nice
almost
one.
all his poems are like what do you say? Just like a parent giving advice to their children, or some kind of that method what he follow. I really like it. This
Actually,
new world needs some precious advice, and that we are getting from your poems. So really happy.
I'm going to try here, give the message about the school is not, school must not be only within the periphery of compound wall.
True.
Outside also there is the great school. Natural beauty is also the school. Learning chapters. From my poem, this message I am delivering here.
Yes, so that's like a teacher mentoring everyone. So he's carrying that into his poem as well. That's a wonderful thought, sir. You can share your second poem as well. We'd love to hear your.
And then we can move on to Tasneem madam.
Yes.
Second poem also immediately now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can decide.
You can recite.
Okay. Second poem. My second poem. I have tried to write one sonnet. That poem also I have posted in the motivational strip. This is my, I think, first or second trial. This is in the form of sonnet, and it is a romantic poem.
Oh, lovely.
It is a romantic poem. I tried this. And what does it sound? Actually, it is clarified by the audience. You are my excellent glitter to glow. I'm your regular attached heartbeat. You are my cosmic heart attached love flow. I'm your unconditional love pit. You are my ever flashing panorama. I'm your an excellent honeybee. You perform me the natural drama. I fetch you the pearl from a silent sea. You are my love of the oceanic tide. I'm your lifelong liberty guard. You are my fame with beautiful eyesight. I'm your ever present lovely card. I call you to find the beautiful goal to pacify the thirst of heart and soul. And
I think even this I
finish,
have read. Even this I have read. This sonnet I have read about the.
Is it over? Oh God, it felt like, go on and on and on. It was so very well written, sir. It was lovely.
It is in the form of sonnet.
Yes. Very well written, and
one more thing to say that he's a very good Sino writer. He's there in our group of world Sino writers, and our group is still growing. And even Tasneem madam is also there in our group. So it is just like what you say, day by day it's growing, and a new form of poetry getting recognized worldwide. So happy to tell all of you about that. And at the same time, one more shout out for our Wansoo Kim sir. Actually, his poetry book has released yesterday, and it's on 3 days, free download period. The promotion period is for 3 days, and these 3 days you can download his book, and most probably our Wansoo Kim sir will reach the Amazon rank 1. It's with all your efforts. I want to say that one, because it doesn't cost any money. You have to just on a click you can get the book, and the book is written such a way that showing gratefulness to others. So please make sure that all of you, the viewers, download this book and read it, because when you're getting wisdom for free of cost, then who will say that I don't need it? So please make sure that you all download it. I have shared the link yesterday. So
Very
please make sure.
valuable part of the motivational strips as well. So yes, we should all go ahead and download it. Yes.
Yes. So now let me introduce our Tasneem ma'am. So actually, Tasneem ma'am is Tasneem Ala is her pen name. She will reveal her name soon after I stop introducing her. So here, she is a retired school teacher, very well experienced, and an author from past so many years. She has in her record 2 books. One is Sai Mahalikku Soli. It means in English that mother is the support or helping hand to her daughter.
Companion. Yeah.
Companion, a close companion to her daughter. And another one book is a translation in Tamil. Actually, the book is in English and she has translated it into the language Tamil. Muslim Ummatin. I'm unable to.
Varalaatru Pathai.
Varalaatru Pathai. So
History.
this is something
Muslim
related to
Ummah.
history, right? Something related to the history.
Yeah.
Yes.
These
History
2
of
books
Muslim
are there,
Ummah.
and we are waiting for a few more books from her. And one more happiest thing is she has received the Independence Day honors from Motivational Steps for her literary contribution. So we would like to congratulate both of our poets, Vishnu sir and Tasneem ma'am, for being the recipients of Independence Day honors from Motivational Steps and Gujarat Sahitya Academy. So this is all about Tasneem madam. Now she will reveal her original name and some interesting facts about herself, and then we will listen to her poetry.
Hello. Really, I'm known as Wazira Hassan, but this is my pen name, Tasneem Ala. So professionally, I'm a retired teacher. Very recently, I got my retirement from service after 35 years of serving as an English teacher. And the final years, I was in charge of the A-level section, advanced level section for English medium. And really, I'm happy I was able to produce many my students. I was able to send them to the state universities to pursue their studies in taking English and English language and literature as a subject. I'm a proud mother of 4, and 3 of them have already they are from the University of Peradeniya. They have graduated, and one is there. He's still studying. The other one is what else is there?
You can, yes. Wonderful to know
Even
all
write,
these details about you.
short stories, which I really love to read. Her poems are actually wonderful, but more than that, I wait for her
Prose.
stories.
Yeah,
Okay.
once after joining this motivation strips only, I started writing mostly in English. Before that, before my passion was my writing was my passion.
Yes.
So,
you choose to recite a poem or a short story of yours. That is really your choice. We would like to hear one of both.
Now.
Yes.
yeah,
Now,
whichever you
really
feel comfortable.
sorry to say, but I'm not ready with this. I was informed very shortly. Then I'm not ready with this any of my poems. But
so can we help you in that way? Because I will have your poems here.
Shall we read one poem each of us?
Yes.
yeah.
So here, the one which you have written about the melodious strings, I would love to recite that. The melodious strings of the innocent heart, what happened to them? The steady beat of the mighty drum, what happened to them? The calming scent of the fragrant bloom, what happened to them? The worthy memories of the cherished past, what happened to them? Yes, I genuinely want to know what happened to them. What happened to them? So it's actually a query about one innocent lady or innocent person. What happened all of a sudden so that person in the attitude, the way how they behave. I think so. It is written in that way. You may speak about it. Would you like to say something about this poem of yours?
Yeah, usually I make it like this. Something one piece of writing for one day, at least one piece. Whether in Tamil or whether in English, and whatever just comes to my mind, I write.
Yes. Sakin, are you ready with?
Yes, I'll read A Fully Bloomed Another Day. This looks really nice.
Okay.
Early morning. Both arms raised above. Words of praise escaping the mouth. Senses directed towards the Almighty. I slowly open my eyes effortlessly. The golden gate of another passing day thrown upon in front of me, inviting me to explore the beauty and the true worth of a day. Oh, I thank you so much, the merciful God. There is here is on my way a fully bloomed another day. So that's just absolutely beautiful. There are so many short stories of yours, and it would have been lovely to hear something from you. But yeah, that's
And it's my humble wish that we may shortly get her short book story to read.
yes.
So if you are compiling it into a book, then we all, the whole Motivational Steps family, will be so happy to read your book.
Yeah, waiting.
So that was so wonderful to hear from both of them today. So Vishnu sir, would you like to say something to our audience, because one of your book is there already in the market?
Disturbed.
Sir, you're on mute. You have to unmute yourself. Sir, you are on mute. Please unmute.
Oh, actually, this is a golden opportunity to me also to participate over here in front of the literature arena, and I have published one book entitled Pen. There are 41 poems. This year, it was published during the time of Corona pandemic. And beside this, also in the motivational steps since May 7, I have been posting there my creativity. That is, there are nearly 200 poems I have posted over here. And thank you, madam. And actually, we are posting in the motivational steps, but we are not publishing these books, these poems. And we expect from the team such poems should be published.
Yes,
This
sir.
is
So
this
most
is
of the
the
most of the poems we try to publish in our web magazine, that is Bharat Vision. So you can, there is a team for that, an editorial team for that. They select the poems and they upload it. So it will be there. Okay, sir.
beside this web magazine, if there is the chances or access to publish the physical book also, it will be very effective for us.
Yes. So I would like to inform all of you that
also.
yeah, Evans Pub Publications is our like tie-up with Motivational Steps, and they want very pocket friendly publishers. So you may contact the audience if anybody just want to publish their book, it's a wonderful opportunity because outside world, you know how costly it is. But from my experience, because I've published both of my books from Events Pub, so I can really tell you that it's a wonderful opportunity from them if you get that published from them. So we wish you a very good luck, sir, to get published as soon as possible.
Thank you. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Tasneem,
And,
ma'am, would you like to say something? Tasneem, ma'am?
Me.
Ah.
Yes, I'm really happy to join with you all. This is really a platform, a good platform. We interact with world-renowned poets, writers, and all. And I feel that my time is productively spent. Once after the retirement, I was it gives some meaning to life.
True, because
Wonderful
you can
to hear.
see many poets like Tarla madam, many poets are there who are near to more than age of 60 plus, and they find some kind of enthusiasm there in motivational steps, spending that time encouraging others. They not only write the poems and leave it as it is to get comments, they at the same time motivate others also. That is how they're getting noticed in front of others, and both are very nice. There are many, if I name, there are many aged people in motivational steps whom we can get some inspiration from. Maggie ma'am, and Paddy ma'am, everybody. So
I think we
many,
are the senior
different
citizens of
ages.
motivation strips. Then you all are young crowd.
Yeah.
Yes, and we have so much to learn from the older crowd.
Complete. My students are there in motivational steps. They're writing sinos. So from grade 4 to the age which you hold a stick to walk, till that age the people are there in motivational steps and from throughout the world, and this make the whole difference. So I'm so proud to be here with you all, being a motivational steps member. So happy. And really, it's a very wonderful and very productive meeting what we had today. I learned so many things from Vishnu sir and Tasneem ma'am. And we can call it a wonderful, productive evening. And here, I thank both of you for being us on the show. And thank you, Sakina, for being my, a good companion throughout the way.
Yes, we are going to take each other through this. And I have to really be thankful that they joined us in a short notice. Yes. And yes,
we feel that we are thankful because you gave this opportunity for us.
It's all yours.
Okay.
And, all yours.
Yeah. Yes.
We are very proud of being here, madam.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. So till the next time we meet you on the next show. Till then, bye.
Bye.
Take care, everyone. Good evening.
Okay, good evening.
Bye.